Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome guys. 10,000 subscribers. 10,000 subscribers. Unbelievable. Like, you know, this video should be very special right now because I'm so happy. I'm very happy to have like huge audience like you. You guys are very amazing. This video is so special for you. Video gangaar video yahay waxaan ku faraxsanahay maanta ku dabaaldegaya waa 10,000 oo subscribers ah oo maanta soo helay YouTube-kayga. Aad baan faraxsanahay, aad baan mahadsantahay saaxiibayaal. Videogan waxaa ku talagalay muuqaal cusub oo hadeer aan doonayo muuqaal hadda cusub inaan la wadaago oo magaalada Muqdisho si qaabka hore ama qaabka duuban aad ku daawataan. This is my new drone. As you can see guys, I got my new drone right now. I'm so happy. maanta dhan baa muuqaalo sii duubanay magaalada dhan waxa way waxaan ka yeeray nooc kale muuqaaladan. I'm so excited to share with you guys. marka waxaan doonayaa si gaar ah inuu mahad celiyo dhammaan asxaabtayda taageertay dal iyo dibadda meel kasta aad joogtaan saaxiibayaal. waxaan leeyahay aad baad ku mahadsantihiin waad ka mahad celinayaa. waxaa kaloo si gaar ah u mahad celinayaa saaxiibkay Xasan Bloki oo shout out baa leeyahay iyo Nadia Fataax labadaba waxaan leeyahay thank you guys very much and everyone oo runtii igu caawiyay markii ugu horeysay inaan establish gareeyo YouTube channel-kayga iyo saaxiibkay qaaliga Cabdicaziz iyo dhammaan Axmed Cabdi Fataax everyone waxaan leeyahay saaxiibayaal thank you very much. idinkuna waxaan leeyahay please support me guys. حوجة صارتان إن شاء الله to share my videos. مقالات عصوبة أيام صوبة إن شاء الله. حضرنا واحد كسر دوانية مقالات جارة عن كرك مجال المقدشة كدوبي أنا استعمالية كاميرا دي درونكا إداوشونا سي.
Allow me to share my itinerary and elaborate on how I would travel a land that is filled with so much beauty. I would set sail from Djibouti, and like our religion, I would arrive in the ports of Zayla and explore the wonders of Awdal. Take a selfie on the peaks of the mountains that surround Borame. But from there, I would fondle through the cleavage of Nasahablod and make way to my birthplace of Hargeisa. I would exhaust myself from Waqooyi Galbeed just to go north and cool off in Berbera. But the Somali in me doesn't stop there. How could I neglect myself of Togder or the sweet scent of tea laced with camel milk in Bur'o? I want to spend a day back home so bad, just to spend a night in Buhadle contemplating Sol and Senag, dreaming as if it was my last night as a soldier in Talah preparing for his last fight. Then in my sleep it came to me that La Sa'anad was the place to be, and the realization that this is a vacation but that is where we stay. You can blindfold me in Hudun and I won't go astray, cause surely I will find Argabo and take a moment to pray. I would devour the best of tuna in Las Qurey. I would board a boat that is bound for Bosaso, go to the edge of Bari and back down to Qardo. I would go to Sanam for the sweet scent of cinnamon. Oh, how Doha Nugalet is so genuine. I would get lost in Garowe, just to be found in the valleys of Nugal. This is not the Buni flag, but they know us. I would invest in Galkaya where livelihood is robust. Right to the heart of Mudug, and Hobyo is a must. I would find love in Abudwa, so I'd be winning. I would do a concert in Galgadood, and this is what I'd be singing. Daddy-o, daddy-o, Kudadala nabad nabad. Marching from the salty lakes of Albor all the way to Dusamareb. Her poetic lineage goes on, but only if I could show her. I would plant a seed in Shabelah Dahe just to harvest heaven and Johar. Hiran is a bit different, but the beauty is the same. From Bula Berde to Jiqle all the way to Beledweyne. I would check on Hudur to see if Bakal is okay. Then I'm off to Baydaba and Dinsar in the state of Bay. But when I'm in Geddo, I would start from Dolo. Right to Aloq, I would speed to Garbahare. Slow down when I get to Jabala Hose. Windows down, Ras Kamboni to Kismayo. I would make a pit stop in Jamame. I would stumble upon a fruit farm in Jannale. No place like home, no place like mine. I must see Jabada Deh before I run out of time, and how the city of Jilib must be so fine. Bal quruxda wadankeena ila arka. And that translates to come see the beauty of Marka. I would go to Afgoye where vegetation is sold, maybe catch a comedy show in Shalambod, but the allure of Wing never gets old. And I tell you this because it is you that I care for. I would end my trip in Benadir and wait for all of you at the airport.